5 unsolved paradoxes of the universe in mathematics. Mathematics is the most reliable tool we use when trying to understand the universe. Because mathematics is one of the clearest systems the human mind has ever produced. To unravel the seemingly chaotic structure of the universe, we try to explain it with equations, formulas, and numbers. But sometimes we encounter such moments that the walls of mathematics shake. There are some questions that, instead of answering them, the universe pushes us into a greater unknown. Now let's take a closer look at the 5 major cosmic paradoxes that science and mathematics still cannot answer. 1. The infinity paradox. If the universe is infinite, why do we have duplicates? In mathematics, infinity is simply expressed with the symbol infinity. But when this concept is applied to the universe, things get crazy. If the universe is truly infinite, combinations of matter also repeat themselves infinitely. This means you are the same version of yourself watching this video. You exist somewhere over and over again. On one hand, infinite possibility, on the other, repeating realities. While mathematics sees this situation as plausible from a probabilistic perspective, physics finds no trace of it. 2. The dark matter paradox. It exists, but doesn't exist. Galaxies, with their own masses, rotate much faster than each other. Normally, if they rotated at this speed, they would disperse completely. But they don't. Mathematics says, therefore, there is an invisible mass. We call this mass dark matter. 85% of the universe appears to be composed of this matter. But we cannot see it, measure it, interact with it, or even capture it. Mathematics. It exists. Observation. It seems it doesn't exist. This paradox makes dark matter one of the universe's greatest mathematical puzzles. 3. The time paradox. What's flowing, us or time? In mathematics, time flows like a straight line, from t equals 0 to infinity. But physics says this isn't true. According to Einstein's theories of relativity, time bends, curves, and slows down depending on our speed and distance from the mass. So where's the paradox here? We don't know if time actually flows. Perhaps time doesn't flow at all. We just think it does because we change. Mathematics describes time linearly, but nature reveals something non-linear. This renders the mathematical concept of time completely debatable. Is time a fundamental fact of the universe, or a unit of measurement invented by our brains? 4. Fermi's paradox. Mathematics says must be, but the universe says doesn't. When we observe the universe, we see that there are billions of habitable planets within billions of galaxies. Mathematical probability clearly states that advanced civilizations must be inevitable. But the universe is silent. There are no radio signals. There are no traces of civilization. There are no megastructures. Mathematics. There must be life somewhere. The universe. I don't see anyone. This contradiction makes the Fermi paradox one of the greatest impasses of scientific thought. Either life is much rarer than we think, or it's being deliberately concealed for a reason we never expected. 5. The fine-tuning paradox. The universe is too perfect for coincidence. The physical constants of the universe are like tuning knobs. Gravity, electromagnetism, quark masses, the cosmological constant. All are at such precise values that if they were changed by just 1 part in a billion, stars wouldn't form, chemical bonds wouldn't form, and planets wouldn't exist. In short, the universe lies within the narrowest range, allowing for life. How such a fine-tuning occurred is unknown. Is this a coincidence? Mathematics says the probability is almost impossible. Therefore, the problem of fine-tuning has become a paradox that has profoundly shaken mathematics, physics, and philosophy. Conclusion. Mathematics is a powerful language for understanding the universe, but perhaps the universe is full of mysteries that transcend this language. Unsolved paradoxes tell us this. Solving the universe requires more than just equations. A new perspective, a new mathematics, and perhaps even a new understanding of reality.